नमस्कार मंडळी, मी आता चालता चालता काय पाहिलंय ते तुम्हाला सांगतोय. आपलं जे घी असतं हे फ्लेवर्ड घी बनवलंय ह्या लोकांनी इकडे. Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you today?
Doing wonderful. What's your name?
I'm T.
T?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, T. So tell me about ghee and all these options that you have over here.
Absolutely. So this is Sun Ghee. We're based out of Denver, Colorado. The owner and I are the only employees right now. She currently makes everything at a college campus kitchen. She started doing this as a way of treating herself from a pregnancy that was not the best for her body, and she started exploring Ayurvedic medicine. And she came across making ghee for herself, and her family loved it to the point where they said, "You need to make it for everyone." And she started doing flavor-infused ghees about 5 years ago, and now we have grown to having about 6 different flavors. They range from everything from Aleppo pepper to cardamom. They have benefits for you health-wise, but also are just delicious.
Thank you so much. One for taste, please.
Absolutely. What would you like to try?
Anything that you like.
Okay, I'm going to give you the cinnamon ashwagandha. That one's my favorite.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. All right. We have the sample on bread just for ease.
थँक यू सो मच. सो त्यांनी मला सिनेमन अश्वगंधा ह्या फ्लेवरचं आपलं घी दिलंय. तर आता मी ते खाऊन बघणार आहे. बघूया टेस्ट लागते का. ब्रेडवर दिलंय. मस्त आहे एकदम. टेस्ट मस्त येते. म्हणजे हे आपण फक्त ब्रेडवर लावून पण खाऊ शकतो. जाम भारी, जाम भारी. धन्यवाद.